Tally Interface Overview. Understanding the Tally Dashboard. The Tally interface is built to be user-friendly and intuitive, allowing easy access to all its features. The dashboard consists of several key components. Gateway of Tally, the main entry point for all Tally features, such as accounts info, inventory info, and display. Buttons panel, located on the right, offering quick access to frequently used commands like company info, reports, and configuration. Menu bar at the top for navigating through different functions like masters, vouchers, and reports. Calculator panel, a small area at the bottom for quick calculations. Status bar shows the current date, active company, and other context-specific information. Navigation basics, how to move around in Tally. Mouse navigation, use the mouse to click on menus, options, and buttons. However, Tally is optimized for keyboard use to make data entry faster. Keyboard shortcuts. Tally provides several shortcuts for quick access. Alt F1, detailed view of a report. Control A, accept the current screen. ESC, go back to the previous screen. Spacebar, select or deselect options. F1 to F12, access various features like company info F1 or vouchers F8. Most reports in Tally are interactive. You can click or press enter on any item to view its details, making it easier to explore data. Key modules and their purposes. Accounting module manages all financial transactions, including sales, purchases, receipts, and payments. Generates financial statements like the balance sheet, profit and loss, and cash flow. Maintains ledgers and vouchers to keep accurate financial records. Provides tools for tracking accounts payable and receivable, along with detailed auditing and reconciliation features. Inventory module tracks stock items, groups, and categories. Monitors inventory levels, stock movements, and order management. Supports multiple units of measurement, batch tracking, and location-based management. Generates reports to monitor stock status and reorder levels, helping to maintain optimal stock levels and reduce costs. Payroll module manages employee details, payroll computations, and salary disbursement. Generates payroll reports and complies with statutory requirements like PF, ESI, and PT. Offers features for attendance tracking and leave management. Automates salary computation, including allowances, deductions, and arrears. Supports integration with banking systems for salary payments. Handles statutory compliance, including GSTDS and TCS. Automates tax calculations, filing, and reporting. Ensures adherence to the latest tax laws and regulations. Integrates seamlessly with government portals for easy submission of returns. Provides tools for reconciling tax reports with accounting data. Banking module facilitates bank reconciliations, check management, and digital payment integration. Supports multiple bank accounts, transaction tracking, and report generation. Offers features for electronic fund transfers, EFT, bulk payments, and real-time tracking. Allows direct connection with banking portals for streamlined transactions and reconciliations.